Hello everyone, today we'll speak about American indexes, Nasdaq 100 and SPX500. Today Friday and we see the closing of this week and we closing not so good. We closing nearly the level of one of the most serious levels. Here we see four the most serious levels if we work about levels for the EMAs, and it's level of 50 EMA on day frame. We will close some hours later, and we need to see how we close in these bars, how we will close in, and we need to close in higher than the level 29,000 on this index. And we need to see not only not only EMAs, not only levels, not only Nasdaq. We need to see the SPX 500 too. US 500 here we can see, and here now we are lower than the level 50 EMA on day frame. It's not good. It's not the best way how we can trade this long tendency. And if you are closing this Friday lower than this level, lower than the level for 50 EMA on day frame for the SPX 500, and if you see and close the Nasdaq lower than the level 29,000, it's so bad, and we can go in lower, maybe to the level for 28,000 for the Nasdaq, and for the SPX 500 we can go for the level maybe 7,200. I think that we can have some small shorty tendency here for these two indexes if we are closing lower than these two EMAs. And for the EMAs we can work really good. I think it's the best indicator. I don't use MACD, I don't use RSI, I use only EMAs and levels. Levels I use on every instrument, on every index, on every share. I think it's the best way to analyze the share, to find the best points where we can open some long positions, where we can open some shorty positions. And for the best level where we can buy Nasdaq, it's the level 26,200. And I think from this level of the retest, this was the level of the resistance. Now it can be the level like support. This level near of them we have 200 EMA on day frame, and it's the best place where we can buy Nasdaq for this tendency. We need to see how we are closing Friday, and then we need to analyze another shares. For my last video I show you I am there, and if you are closing the Nasdaq lower than the level of 50 EMA and SPX 500 closing lower, we need to close the AMD, close the long for AMD, and don't hold it of this, and don't bring the AMD from these weekends. I think we need to see everyday indexes. We need to analyze this every day, analyze each candle for day closing. It's really important for our trading strategy. It's the main factor on the American index of the American market. It's two indexes, Nasdaq and S&P 500. It's my opinion about these two indexes. I recommend to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Here I show you my everyday trades, and I recommend to subscribe on my Twitter. There I show you some interesting trades in text version. Bye bye and have a nice day.